Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Half-Life Alyx updated, Steam Workshop enabled, and your account signed in. Once done, search the workshop for the Alyx Music Kit item ID or identify the downloadable kit files. Make sure you have right permission in the game folder, otherwise Steam cannot apply custom content. Download the workshop item or the kit archive and keep the item ID or file name handy. This prepares you for the installation steps that follow. You now install and configure the kit. If using Workshop, click Subscribe, then let Steam download. If using an archive, extract into steamapp/common/half-life-alyx/hlvr/music. Once files are placed, open the game's config and set the music playback source to custom, or add the Workshop ID to your subscribed content list. Make sure file names match expected patterns. Inconsistent names prevent loading. Then restart Steam. To finish, launch Half-Life Alyx and test the music kit in a non-critical map or your custom playlist. If the tracks do not play, check file paths and exact file names, confirm your workshop subscription is active, and ensure the config points to the custom folder. If problems persist, clear the Steam download cache, unsubscribe and resubscribe, or re-download the archive. One key troubleshooting tip: corrupted or misnamed files are the most common issue. Fix those first, then restart the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.